Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create playlist on YouTube Music. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and search for YouTube Music on any browser that you want to go ahead and use and click on the first link right over here. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here. And now in order for you to go ahead and create a playlist, just click on new playlist and go ahead and add a title. So for example, let's say work, and then I can simply go ahead and write a description, make it public, private, anything that you want, and simply go ahead and click on create. Once you've done that, on this playlist, you can simply now start adding music. So for example, if I go to home and let's say I want to add this, simply go ahead and click on the triple dot icon, click on save to playlist, and it's going to let you select your playlist right over here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.